Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is specially for management sciences students where they can find guide on any topic. So, for today we are learning logarithmic equations. Let's look at some of the rules. So, log f of g is equal to log f plus log g. Then log of base with base x to a is equal to a log x. Next, log f of g, f over g is equal to log f minus log this equation ln under root x multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Since there is an under root, we have a power of 1 over 2. So we will break this down in terms of ln and write it as ln x raised to power 1 by 2 multiplied by x plus 1 raised to power 1 by 2 multiplied by x plus 2 raised to power 1 by 2. So now you write it as 1 over 2 ln x plus 1 over 2 ln x plus 1 plus 1 over 2 ln x plus 2. The x 1 over 2 which was power initially, it becomes the constant, hence we write it like that. And now since 1 over 2 is common in all the terms, we are going to take it as common term outside the brackets, and our answer is 1 over 2 ln x plus ln x plus 1 plus ln x plus 2. Next equation is ln x square into x plus 1 over ln x plus 2. The same format we are going to follow for this equation as well. And so we write it as 2 ln x plus 1. Now where does this 2 come from? Since we have x square initially, in terms of ln we write it as 2 ln x plus ln x plus 1. This term was being multiplied initially, and so in terms of ln we are going to add it, and we have 2 ln x plus ln x plus 1 minus ln x plus 2. The term which was being divided initially is now subtracted. And next you have ln x raised to power half minus ln, in brackets we have x plus 1 square multiplied by x plus 2 cube. Solving it further, you get half ln x minus 2 ln x plus 1. Since x plus 1 was square and this square becomes a constant, and you get 2 ln x plus 1 plus 3 ln x plus 2. Since the terms are being multiplied initially, now you have to subtract, you have to add it in terms of ln. So you get 3 ln x plus 2. Next you have ln x plus 2 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by x square over x plus 1, and this whole term has a power of 1 over 5. It seems complex, but you're going to simplify it to solve it further. And you get minus ln x plus 2 because x plus 2 had a power of minus 1 plus 2 over 5 ln x. And where do we get this 2 over 5? We get it because x was square and it had a power of 1 over 5. So 2 multiplied by 1 over 5 gives you 2 over 5, and you have x 2 over 5. This 2 over 5 will become the constant, and so you get 2 over 5 ln x minus 1 over 5 ln x plus 1, because x plus 1 had a power of 1 over 5, and this power becomes the constant, and you get minus 1 over 5 ln x plus 1 because this x plus 1 term was being divided. So this is why we are subtracting it here. Next, ln x square into x plus 2 cube over x plus 1 raised to power 5, and this whole term has a power of 1 over 4. So we solve it further and you get 1 over 2 ln x. Now where does this 1 over 2 comes from? We have this answer because x square has a power of 1 over 4 outside the brackets, you can see that. So 2 multiplied by 1 over 4 gives you 1 over 2 after simplification. So you write it as half ln x plus 3 over 4 ln x plus 2. X square was being multiplied by the term x plus 2 cube. So in terms of ln, you are going to add it. But where does this 3 over 4 comes from? Since x plus 2 has a power of 3 and the term outside bracket is 1 over 4, you get 3 over 4, and this 3 over 4 becomes the constant, and so you have 3 over 4 ln x plus 2 minus 5 over 4 ln x plus 1, because x plus 1 had a power of 5 and the term outside brackets was 1 over 4. So it becomes a constant, and you have minus 5 over 4 ln x plus 1. Now let's solve these logarithmic equations further and calculate the value of x. So to solve these equations, we have to follow certain rules. Log b to b of x is equal to x. Since the bases are same, our answer is going to be the power. And similarly, b log b of x is also going to be equal to x. Now let's see the application of these principles in our equations. Log 5x plus 1 is equal to log 4x plus 2. You have log on both sides, so you can solve these equations as such. And 5x plus 1 is equal to 4x plus 2. And this gives you 5x minus 4x is equal to x. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. So x is equal to 1. Next, log x minus log 5 is equal to log 7. Log x is equal to log 7 plus log 5. Solving it further, you get log x is equal to log 7 into 5, which is 35. So that's your answer. Since logs are on both sides, they are going to be cancelled and x is equal to 35. Let's solve this equation. Log base 2x plus 3 log 2 is equal to log base 2x. Now, to solve it further, let's simplify it. You write it as log of base 2 to x plus log of 2 to 2 raised to the cube, because the three constant we have originally, it will be the power of 2, and this is equal to log of base of 2 to 2 over x. Now solve it further. Please note that since these two log terms are being added, we can multiply the constants together, and this is what we are going to do in the next step. And this way we get log of base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power cube into x, and this becomes 8x is equal to log of base 2 to 2 over x. Now solve this equation further and you get 8x is equal to 2 over x and 8x square minus 2, and solving it further you get x equals plus minus 1 over 2. Now note your answer is going to be plus 1 over 2 as log of negative number does not exist. Let's solve this equation. Ln minus x is equal to ln x square minus 6. Applying exponent, this becomes e ln minus x is equal to e ln x square minus 6. And you know that e ln x is equal to x. So this entire equation becomes minus x is equal to x square minus 6. You solve it further and you get x square plus x minus 6. This quadratic equation we have to solve it further. For a detailed analysis or notes on quadratic equations, I encourage you to go to my guide and see the steps, and a comprehensive guide is there. It will help you a lot. Now, in this case, we get x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. We simplify it further down and we get x equals 2 and minus 3. Now, please note the answer is x is equal to minus 3 as ln minus x is equal to ln minus 2, which is invalid term. Let's see the next equation. We have 5e raised to power 2x minus 1 minus is equal to 23. You simplify it further and you get 5e 2x minus 1 is equal to 25. Next you have e raised to power 2x minus 1 is equal to 5, because 25 over 5 gives you 5. Now apply logarithm on both sides. So you get ln e 2x minus 1 is equal to ln 5 and ln 5 is equal to 2x minus 1. You solve this equation further, you get ln 5 plus 1 over 2 and x is equal to 1.305. So the next equation is 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power x plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 4. Simplify it further and you get 2 multiplied by 10x plus 10x multiplied by 10 is equal to 4. 10x is common and we are taking it common outside the bracket, and 2 plus 10 we have within the brackets, and so 10x multiplied by 12 is equal to 4 and 10x is equal to 4 over 12. So 10x is equal to 1 over 3. Log, taking log on both sides, you get log 10 of x 10 to raised to power x is equal to log 1 over 3, and so x is equal to log 1 minus log 3 and x is equal to 0 minus log 3 is equal to minus 0.477. Please note that since log of 10 of x is equal to x, because formulas of log we have been studying earlier, and you have this answer of minus 0.477. So our next equation is 4 raised to power x over 2 is equal to 20. Now apply logarithm. Log of base m to b is equal to log of b over log of m when m is not equal to 10 and it's not equal to e. We are going to follow the same formula here, and so we write the equation as log of base 4 to 4 raised to power x over 2 is equal to log of base 4 to 20. Now we have taken common terms here, common base terms, and so we can solve this equation as according to the formula here. Now since 4 is the bases are common in the first log term, you get the power x over 2 as your answer. Now this x over 2 is equal to log of 20 over log of 4 according to the logarithm formula we have given above. And so x is equal to 2.16 multiplied by 2, which is equal to x is equal to 4.322. Now the next question is log of base 4 to 2x plus 4 minus 3 is equal to log of base 4 to 3. Take out all log terms on one side and simplify it further. And when we do so, we get the second term here, and you have log of base 4 multiplied by 2x plus 4 minus log of base 4 to 3, and this gives you 3. Since the two log terms are being subtracted, the new term now we will have after merging it, after we solve it further, you are going to divide it, the constants and the two terms basically. So log of base 4 to 2x plus 4 over 3, it's your new term with the base 4. And now this entire term log of base 4 to 2x plus 4 over 3 is equal to 3. Solve it further according to the formula given here. And so you get 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 2x plus 4 over 3. Solve it further, you get 4 cube multiplied by 3 minus 4 over 2, and x is equal to 94. So our next question is log of base 2 to 5x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus log of base 2 3x minus 2. To solve it further, you have to take out all log terms on one side, and when we do so, we get the second term, the second line item in our equation, which is log of base 2 to 5x plus 1 plus log of base 2 to 3x minus 2 is equal to 4. The log terms are being added here, and when we solve them further, the constant terms are going to be multiplied when we merge them together. So you get log of base 2 to 5x plus 1 multiplied by 3x minus 2. You solve it further and it becomes a quadratic equation, which is basically 15x square minus 7x minus 2. Now you solve it according to the formula, and this whole term is equal to 4. Solve it as per the formula given here, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. You have 15 as the value of a, minus 7 as the value of b, and c is equal to minus 2. When you solve it further, you get two values of x. These are 1.35335 and minus 0.8866. Now you have to check which of these values satisfies the above equation, and so when you try that, you see that minus 0.8866 does not satisfy the equation, but when we try the value of 1.35335, it equals to 16, so this is correct. Let's solve this equation. Log of x plus 2 whole square is equal to 2. So you know that log has a base of 10, so we simplify it further. We write it as 10 square is equal to x plus 2 whole square. You solve this equation and you get x square plus 2x multiplied by 2 plus 2 square is equal to 100, and this becomes a quadratic equation that you have to solve further to get the answer. So you get x square plus 4x minus 96, and x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 12. Thank you, that's it. And for more informative content, like and subscribe my channel, and you will find guides on a wide variety of topics. Thank you.